icon, like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications. Hi friends, whenever I have a craving for something sweet, I have a go-to recipe. It takes only 2 minutes to make and I can whip it up from pantry staples. It's chocolate cake in a mug. All I need is flour, sugar, baking powder, butter, chocolate chips, vanilla essence, milk and cocoa powder. I will take a big mug and add 5 tablespoons of flour in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To this I am going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. To this I am going to add cocoa powder and half teaspoon baking powder. Using the fork, I am going to nicely mix up the drying ingredients. To this I am going to add 2 tablespoons butter and half teaspoon vanilla essence. I am going to add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of milk. I'll mix it up so there are no lumps left. A little more milk. It's nice and smooth. Now I'll add my choco chips. I'm going to microwave it for 1 minute. My cake is done. It took exactly 1 minute to make. If you think your cake is slightly runny, you can microwave it 10 or 20 seconds more. Yummy! Please like and subscribe my channel Tiffin Tales.